everybody, Fantasticairy here, back with another video. And this week's video was inspired by these branches and these dangly little organic things hanging from them, and I wanted to paint some branches with some berries. I wanted to experiment with some of the colors of greens, purples, and oranges together. They're kind of one of my favorite colors to paint with. They make a very interesting combo. Usually orange and green don't go together very well. As soon as you throw in some purple, it kind of creates this unique palette. So I went with this kind of palette, and I start off by taking my 01 liner brush to sketch in some branches with my fine liner brush, sticking to my thick to thin to make sure that they're realistically looking like branches, of course. I started off with this green that I mixed in with a little bit of Payne's gray, and I start off with the lighter values because afterwards I'll go over with a darker value. I was kind of just experimenting with this, and this whole page I will be filling with branches and berries, obviously. I like to stick to my themes. Here I am, adding in some purple now, and I noticed some of these little branches, they have little knobs at the ends of their tips where the berries grow from. So I kind of just circled those in at the end, keeping things very simple. I'm actually working on a larger skeleton illustration. So this is a little sneak peek of what I've been working on, which I will be sharing the process with you hopefully in next week's video. Now I'm gonna circle in some berries. I mixed some orange with my purple to create this brownish purple color, keeping things organic in color, and then I'll go in using the wet and wet technique, adding in some more saturated purple to create some interesting textures and colors. Once everything dries, I'm gonna dot in with my 02 brush some darker little contrast textures, kind of just creating a more unique look to these little berries. I'm not sure what other berries I'll use to fill this entire page with, but I have collected some reference and I'm going to do a little bit of studying to fill this page with branches and berries. And here's the final result. The colors turned out pretty satisfying, and adding in that darker contrasted dotting makes the berries almost feel fuzzy. So I'm gonna be excited to experiment more painting berries and branches. It's a little bit of a shorter video this week, guys. I am working on a full illustration that I will be sharing with you in its process, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the comments below. They make my day and they make me very happy. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. Videos are every Friday. You can find me on the social medias and the links in the descriptions below, as well as my imprint shop if you want to purchase any prints or stickers of my skeleton illustrations, kind of mixed in with nature themes. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next Friday with another video. Okay, into the new year. Happy New Year, everybody. Bye-bye.